Yeah, so once again, greetings to ones and ones, Glory to word, glory to sound, and glory to power. We give you thanks. So yeah, mense, ons is nou hier, soos julle kan sien, we are here in Westgate Mall now. We just came from the Menenberg industrial area. And you know what? We've spoken to a lot of bosses in the industrial area. And many of them is opening up to say, nah, kyk, bring us those CVs. So for Menenberg and for Nova Park, there's going to be opportunities that's going to open up now. We're busy gathering those CVs on that side, right? I got a call from another lady. She stays here, just here in Westgate Mall. In fact, she stays here just behind Virgin Active. And she gave me a call and she said, Mr. Jacobs, don't you just want to pop in here? I just want you to come and have a look here at the Checkers, man, the 60-60 thingy that's happening. And I said to her, ma'am, when you look at our country now, we are not against our brothers and sisters that is here, that are legally here, we are not against them. And then she said to me, no, I just want you to come and check, man, because there's a lot of them that don't have documentation, proper documentation, but they're working here, and Checkers is entertaining them. I made it my duty to come here, and I spoke to the manager. I went into the manager now, and that was a colored lady, but she was light of complexion. So sal actually dink as 'n wit vrou, you know what I mean? And sometimes weet ons hoe voel sulke mense. But the attitude that she gave us was like, no, you can't speak to us. And I said to her, ma'am, just hold on. You can my vrou shopping ook hierso. Baie mense ken ons hier shopping altyd hier. We don't have a problem with Checkers. The problem that we have is with the system that has been put in place that keeps our ladies on the outside. And she said, no, you must contact head office. And head office said, if you have a problem in it, we don't have a problem. We've got nothing to do with the head office, because head office is not immigration. Head office is not the police. Head office is not home affairs. Our duty is to come see, okay, there is ones that we suspecting is illegal. Go and report it. The authorities must come in and they must do their work. You see, the reason for march and march is because the authorities has failed a lot of them, where they didn't come in, they didn't do what they were supposed to do. Baie van hulle smokkel. Did you see that one foreign national that is out of the country? He made a video and said, you know what, you must now pimp all those officials that you paid, post their photos, because so there's a lot of them here, but gesmokkel the information. You get what I'm saying? Right? They've got hulle dokumente en goedes is gesmokkel, man, right? But they are must now here legally. What we're saying to companies like Checkers was, you know what, when that opportunity opened up, you were supposed to make a call and say, you know what, we're looking for 30 or 40 matriculants. We're going to call Bezels. Because Bezels doen ook die training vir die laities met die motorbike's, maar niemand sien vir Bezels. Anyway, I'm going to call Bezels. They're going to do the training for us. We're going to train 30 laities and we're going to give this opportunity to those matriculants. But hier, julle kom uit in defense van die mense en sê, nee, wag. Julle moet die en die doen. Is dit ons gemeenskap wat shopping hier by julle? Is dit Somalians of Pakistan? Wie shopping hier by julle? Is mos ons mense, man. So why are you not opening up to afford our people those opportunities? Maar dis wat ek van praat, mense. You get what I'm saying? Those major companies wat hier is van die apartheid al. Die companies is mos al jare. So baie van hulle is hier. Hulle gesien wat die brein mense deurgaan. Hulle het gesien die genocide wat die brein mense deurgaan. Hulle moet dit actually hulle priority gemaak het om te sê ons gaan vir die brein mense weekie, want die wat met hulle gebeur is wat ons voorvaders aan hulle gedoen het. A lot of these things is not going to happen. I'm asking our people, you have the opportunity on the 4th of November to choose those people that you know will lead you. You know, vat die mense wat julle weet, die mense sal veg vir ons. Die mense sal sorg dat die huise is. Die mense sal sorg dat ons se kinders weer kry. Those are the people that you must vote for. So, the 4th of November, One Nation Alliance, One Love Alliance. When you go on the ballot paper, it's One Love Alliance. We love our nation. So ons hou nog van hy One Nation. But when we vote One Love Alliance. So, kyk as dit weet dit is vir julle om vir ons 'n opportunity te gee, but put people in power that's going to fight and make sure there's a difference in our communities.
One love.